Hey guys, we're going right now. It's really freezing.
Alright.
So,
Yeah, that's so. Okay, we're good.
alright, Mandy.
Yes.
YouTubing you.
Yeah, I am YouTubing.
Alright. We're ready. Let's go. So we're heading to Grandma's now?
Yeah, we better go over and see what's going on with her furnace.
Can I be in the middle?
Hey, can I get up right now?
No, you guys both get in the back.
Okay, let's go. Me and Shadow's Princess are getting in the back. Did you bring your cell phone? What?
On that side.
Okay, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, also check out Shadow's Princesses. Oh, yours needs charged. Hey, Dad, Chloe's needs charged. Don't worry, I got a charger for it.
Charger right here.
Me and Chloe have the same kind of charger.
Same kind of charger too.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay, guys, me and Shadow's Princess here. Hey, Shadow's Princess.
Don't call me a princess.
But you are. Okay.
You made my YouTube channel called that. I didn't really want it to be,
But all we need now is the Shadowless King, the Shadowless Queen, the Shadowless Peasant, the Shadowless Prince. Hello, guys. Come on and join the Shadowless Kingdom, guys.
No, it's called Crowded. The whole family's YouTube channel.
It isn't made yet, but we're gonna make one. So I'll be playing video games sometime, maybe tomorrow, on my YouTube channel. So give a big thumbs up. Sorry I didn't get to play today. I was at my sister Tessa's house. So.
Take it right, baby. Rocky baby.
Wrecking ball. So guys, we're also going to our grandma Eddie's. Maybe, I'm not sure. I gotta turn off the AF.
Told you I had pet squirrels.
So guys, right now I'm gonna zoom into the front.
Like to an older age, about a year.
Okay, let's see
playing
where we're
outside.
going.
It never did come back
Okay,
in.
this is where
But it moved into
yeah,
the tree right behind
the
Mom's
woods.
house.
I have no
So we'd see
internet
it
at
out
all
there
right
sitting on
now.
a fence post.
I'll have to upload
And I
this
guess
video
from where
later
it
on
had,
today.
It was fenced so well as a bait.
So
Its fat rolls would hang over the fence.
I have no internet right now, so I'll be uploading this video later on today.
I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
That always
You know the cutest animal?
What?
Sugar gliders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. I have internet? No, I don't. So guys, I still have no internet at all. I'll have to upload this sometime else. Oh, we're almost there. Already. We just got turned. Wait, never mind. We're not almost there.
They're not used for anything except for
So guys, I am gonna rotate sideways so it shows more. So guys, well, it's gonna be a road trip. Also guys, the new movie Road Trip's coming out. So Just saying. If you guys haven't heard that yet, it's about Alvin and Chipmunks for those of you who like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Give a big put down in the comments below what video game I should do. I'll show you my, and if it's none of the video games I have, I'll be playing Minecraft or that superheroes game. Dad, I've already played Call of Duty. I'm just saying I played the game, so. So guys, I will our games. I know this is really boring, and there's not much to talk about. I know this. And just look at that view.
Right. 97.9 WKW, Randy Hauser, and we went. Big John, rolling your Saturday. What's going on? We got updated forecast coming up for you. Get you ready for a bunch of fun, too, that's coming your way. Hit our website, WKWFM.com. Go there right now and check it out. It is.
Guys, check out her YouTube channel. I will put it down in the description. Bye!
Games gift card. It's pretty nifty stuff. It's online. It's all right there.
Shadow
It's
is
live too.
not
WKWFM.com.
If you've been looking for a new way to start your Sundays, why don't you give WKKW 97.9 a try with Sunday's Kind of Country? It's the best in positive message Christian country songs by the country